Yes, of course I got my construction light on. It makes things so much easier. You can see everything. This will give me a chance too to get down on my hands and knees on my mat, my knee pad of course, and then I'll be able to pull as I'm pulling up the staples, I'm feeling my hand around sections as I go to make sure there's no more staples. And sometimes when they install oak planking or wood planking or anything with nails or staples, the majority gets stapled, and then along the sides lots of times they'll have little finish nails. So careful, make sure you wear some gloves. Look at my gloves. I need to get some. I thought I had remembered to bring some today, and then I drove off without them. But I got more of these at home, so I got to bring another pair tomorrow. Okay, then gently feel your fingers across there and make sure there's no little finished nails or brads or anything like that down along by the toe kicks or next to the baseboards, because there was little nails all along the edges there, and over there. Okay, so check things out and do it right. Well, that's all I have for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.